Hi guys, Ayatollah from Audio Direct, and we're carrying out our premium service, which just seems to be an absolute hit. No one's saying no to it. Why would they? Basically, we turn up at your place, either home or work, pick up your vehicle, assess it, do a complete breakdown for all the costs and everything. Everything's pre-arranged. We then take it to our network of 5 shops. We get all the work done, we drop it back, and we don't charge you any extra for the privilege of, I don't know, meeting us guys and getting the work done for basically like it's kind of like a concierge service for car audio, really. Only kidding. We really do appreciate the fact that people kind of are that trusting with their vehicles and they have faith in us and our products and services. That of course comes from all the reviews and recommendations, of which you type in car audio Dubai, we're #1 in Google, and we've never given 1 dirham to Google in terms of advertising, and that's remarkable. We've only been going for 26 months, so we've got a long way to go. So this Mitsubishi Pajero, as you can see, it's got the Rockford system, which is actually the car audio, and the Rockford system's pretty cool, but functionality in that big black slab of grey plastic, just not the sort of thing that you really want to engage with on a daily, and this is a daily driver. Super clean Pajero, actually, super clean. So lovely customer waiting for us on the inside when we come back this evening, and we're going to transform his driving experience. Audio Direct Premier Service signing out and getting on with some work. See you later, people.